Good afternoon, friends. New week in the shop, new project on a lift. This is going to be something a little bit different here. Something I've been kicking around for a little while and thinking through and how I wanted to do it. And I'm going to propose that to you today. Now, this is going to be a long video series. This is going to be the complete disassembly of this 1975 Shovelhead. And my intentions are to show you how to go through and take off each individual piece of this motorcycle. Give you some history, give you some how-to knowledge, give you some ins and out, things that I do when it comes to taking these bikes apart. Now, if you're not new to these things, this series might not be for you. Or if you're looking to learn something, maybe it is. I'm not sure. Now, I'll tell you this. I'm not an expert and I don't know all of the history, but I know a fair amount. I read a lot. So I read a lot of history books and whatnot on Harley specifically, or vintage motorcycles, cars, things like that. I love that type of thing. So I'm kind of a nerd there and enjoy that time. And I want to catalog some of those details in video and share them on YouTube so folks who are getting into these things can maybe pick up some of that knowledge too. Hopefully it'll help them along the way when they're working on their bike, or just give them another piece of history that they can, give to their friends, family, or whoever, because it's neat. Now the plan is for this bike to actually take the camera off of its stand and strap it to my chest and do this all as a point of view. So you can kind of see me actually working hands-on on the bike, taking it apart, to kind of get the feel of where the nuts and bolts and screws are, how things are connected, how they disconnect, the different tools that you will need to take some of these things apart, and the pitfalls you're going to run into when you're starting to disassemble these bikes. I mean, obviously this is a 1975, that's what, 49 years old, 50 years old, geez, math. It's not new by any means. It's obviously in pretty rough condition, so there's going to be parts here that are going to fight me, and these videos may show you that way you can kind of look at, like, oh my gosh, this is how I could solve this problem or that problem, or what you may run into, or some of the things that may come up that maybe I've never seen before. I'm not sure. We're all going to kind of find out together. The plan for this series is to put out a bunch of smaller videos rather than long drawn out videos where I talk a whole lot and you see me do multiple processes. The plan is to do one thing at a time, one small video, and then the video series will be removal of the front brake, removal of the crash bar, removal of the oil, and give you the insight as to how the oiling system works. These front brakes, how they work, and some of the facts that I know and that I'm good at. As I'm going through this series and I'm talking about all of the ins and outs on this bike, if there's knowledge or history or information that you guys have that you want to share, that I should learn or I should know, or you think that I would find interesting, which I'm sure I will, please make sure to drop those in the comments below. Share those things. That way we can all get it online. I can talk about it in a future video. You can give me new knowledge, which I'm always open and receptive to. I love learning new things. It's kind of how I spend my days, trying to cram as much into the old brain as possible and keep myself as current as I can. I mean, not current, obviously, but continue to expand what I know in my knowledge base. Well, friends, this is the intro to this series. Hopefully you'll enjoy the following videos that are to come. I'm going to start today by getting out my chest harness, getting the camera moved, and then we'll begin this project. So stay tuned, follow along. You'll see these videos coming out shortly.